42nd match of the day, starting off this autonomous period. These robots getting their cubes, and on the right level on the Blue Alliance in that middle zone for those extra points. Robo Troopers getting their duck off and immediately parking and saying, that's it, we are done for this autonomous period. We've done everything we wanted to do. But their partner 5485 is going to toss a cube up into the top of the area before parking with only 5 seconds left in the autonomous. But oh my god, look at that, technical difficulties.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Technical difficulties scoring a lot of cubes into the top of that zone, which is giving that Red Alliance a substantial lead coming into the teleop period, the driver-controlled period. And we'll see if that advantage holds, because Blue Alliance is out here trying to score as well, with Robo Troopers taking their shared cargo goal and trying to score there. And 5485 shut down for a little bit, but quickly back up and functional once again. These sorts of things can happen on the field for sure, where these robots might short out for a little bit, but with some rapid use of driver-controlled finesse, they can get back functioning again. Unfortunately, 5485 is missing a few of the shipping elements that they've dropped in. They're unfortunately missing the shared shipping hub, because that shipping hub is just so tilted, because 7172 has been dropping so many shipping elements into their side of the shared shipping hub. And their partner 310 trying to get in the top as well. Red Alliance trying to aim in for that top of their shipping hub with a substantial, not a substantial lead, but a bit of a lead on the Red Alliance. With a minute left in the game, we're going to start getting to the end game a little bit. Looks like a little bit of tussling on the Blue Alliance's side between the two robots. That's the problem with such a narrow gap and having robots that have a little bit of trouble getting over those PVC pipes. It means that these teams are fighting each other just as much as they're fighting the other team, just making sure that they have enough space to get by. They're preparing, though, for the end game. 38 seconds left. Looks like 310 is over in this other corner here. Oh, they've been playing a bit of defensive. That's what that was. There's a bit of defensive play. It's a little hard to see when there's so many teams going around, what teams are on the Red Alliance, what teams are on the Blue Alliance. But right now, it's not any question at all, because these teams are moving off their ducks from their pedestals and trying to get those team markers capping on top of the team shipping hubs. But it looks like there's a little bit of issues on the Blue Alliance for getting theirs. Their team markers might be a little bit hard to grab. There's only 8 seconds left. It doesn't look like any teams are going to be able to get their team shipping, their markers shipped. So it looks like they're just aiming for a few more cubes and then a final park. A reasonable, solid match with solid scores from both alliances. We're going to see a bit of a close one. You'll have to wait and see what happens for those final.